Alright, what is up guys? In today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo or i-share ko sa inyo kung paano maglinis ng door ng isang sasakyan. As you can see, etong door ng sasakyan na to, it's made of ito plastic, hard plastic yan. Tapos ito, it's fabric. Dito naroon yung speakers. And then ito maghintab na finish ng plastic din. So generally plastic, meron lang chrome something dito. And napakadali nitong proseso na to. If you'd like to try this yourself with some tools na meron ako dito na ipapakita ko sa inyo in just a little bit, kayang-kaya nyo to. Especially nowadays na meron tayong COVID-19 na pinagdadaanan, it's very important na malinis yung kotse nyo palabas at papasok. So, papasok at palabas. So ayun, let's go ahead and start this process ng paglilinis ng pintuan ng sasakyan na to. Things na kakailanganin natin of course is an APC or all-purpose cleaner. Kung wala kayo nito, just buy it from Blade. I think yung po pwedeng bilhin nito. May maliit sila nito, but this is by Meguiar's. Aside from that, meron din tayong gagamitin na Meguiar's, another Meguiar's, which is ito yung ginagamit dito para paitimin. So as you can see right now, medyo dry siya. Tignan, medyo namumuti na. In fact, sana nakukuha ng camera, but I'm seeing spots na may mga parang lupa-lupa dito, as well as dito. And then, so itong yung gagamitin natin dito sa plastic na to, dito hindi, pero these black plastics na nakikita nyo, dyan natin gagamitin yan. So I'll do a 50-50. Dito na lang yung after and dito yung before. So, unahin ko muna tong portion na to, pero ito yung gagamitin natin for that. Of course, we will use a clean microfiber towel. Ito, gamit na to, pero malinis to dahil nilaban ko na. So basa yun ng konti. Tuyo, okay lang din. And then we have another one, which is, so we're going to use, ito tuyo to para i-apply yon. Okay, and then of course we're gonna need a brush. Okay, I got couple of brush na available. Ito sa mga medyo gipit na area, itong gagamitin natin. Pero para mas mabilis na trabaho, itong gagamitin natin. Yeah, basically yan yung mga gagamitin nating mga tools, and syempre yung tape para hatiin to. Yung mga ibang detailer, yun po pwedeng spray dito. Now pwede yan ay I mean, hanggat maaaring iwasan ko yun, but in cases like this, pwede naman yan. So what I do normally is, now ayaw kong nag-splatter kasi to ng todo-todo. So yan, ganyan lang kakonti. Now, itong salamin, pupunasan din natin, but in this video, para makita nyo lang yung 50-50 na result, ito na muna gagawin ko. Okay, but definitely, sa proseso ng paglilinis ng isang pintuan, kasama to, even yung mga rubbers, I hope nakikita nyo sa camera, but yeah, hanggang dito. Okay, so yan. So, as you can see right now guys, ayan na. Ito yung, okay, halos walang differential, but I can see yeah, marami na tong portion na pinaglinis natin dito. Okay, okay. Now in some case meron din tayo nito. So as you nakita nyo, iniwas ko doon sa mag-splatter dito sa ating salamin. So in some case meron tayong gantong brush.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things.
So next is dito naman, or first ito muna, itong part na to which is fabric. Okay. Ito naman, as you can see, gumagamit ako ng toothbrush. Gamit na toothbrush, mas mahaba yung bristle, mas maganda. Hindi ko mahanap yung medyo mahaba na bristle sa akin eh. Pero pwede rin yung gamitin dun sa mga areas na mahirap i-reach, o yung mga singit-singit. Okay, make sure na napunasan maigi, because of course may sabon yan. So next is dito naman. Kita nyo yan? Ang dumi oh. Ang sinasabi ko. So yun. Pag naglilinis ng ganito, ayun yung gumagamit hanggat maaari ng matitigas na bagay masyado. And as you can see, lumalabas talaga yung dumi niya. Okay. Ang dumi oh. So punasan ulit. Sayang maaraw lang eh. Mas dahil kita nyo dapat itsura nito. Tanghalin tapat na kaya ganun. Anyway, I can see right now napakalinis niya. Now if you'd like to, kung gusto nyo yung konting o makasigurong tuyong tuyo yan, pwede nyo gawin to. Tuyuin to and then insert nyo lang yan. Okay. Or make use of the toothbrush po, pwede rin naman. Okay, so ang linis na yan. So let's dito. Okay, so I'll do the same thing dito para hindi na masyadong matagalan yung video. I'll do the same thing dito and then ipapakita natin yung 50-50.
No help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't.
Okay, so as you can see right now guys, sobrang linis na, or ang laki ng difference in terms of linis dito kumpara dito. So as you can see, namumuti-muti ng konti ito. Ito itim na pero iitim pa to after nating i-apply yung ating solution or the leather or the plastic conditioner by Meguiar's. Okay, so madali lang gamitin to. So all we have to do is spray dito to and then ipupunas natin dyan para umitim to. Okay, yan ang kasimple. Pupunas natin dyan. Yan. So doon sa direction paano gamitin to, ang instruction doon, pwede nyo i-spray dito diretso, but I prefer spraying it muna sa towel para hindi masyadong kumakalat, and mas maganda pagka ganun based from my own experience. So as you can see, sobrang pagkakaiba niya guys. Okay, alright, so tanggalin natin to para mas makita nyo ang difference. Okay, so para mas mapansin nyo, pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, so as you can see, makintab to. Ito dry, namumuti. Ito rin, ginamitan ko rin siya actually. Pwede rin siyang gamitin dito, although it's not stated here. So I don't know kung nakikita nyo, but I'm seeing like day and night in terms of the result. So okay, now bubuin ko rin to and mamaya makikita nyo, but I think it deserves a picture. Alright, para mas appreciate nyo, papakita ko na rin yung buo na nalinis natin. So kanina pinunasan ko na, I don't know kung na-record yun sa video natin, pero eto na sasabunin din natin to, or i-detail din natin. Okay, so it's gonna be the same process though. Now another technique na po pwede nyo gawin by the way is, in cases na hindi masyadong madumi yung plastic, pwede nyo i-spray na lang directly rito, since ito naman hindi napapabayaan. So ang goal ko naman dito is malinis and then maprotektahan, but I know for a fact na itong kotse na to hindi napapabayaan. So I'm confident enough na, or alikabok lang yung nakita nyo kanina, I'm confident enough napunasan lang siya, ayun, at malinis na. In cases na medyo makapal yan dun then yun, gamitan nyo ng ganong technique na unang nakita nyo. Naalala ko tuloy, let me show you the difference nung walang protectant versus mayroong protectant. So eto malinis na, as you can see, ganda na ng kulay. However, since walang protection or since hindi pa natin na-applyan nito, magkaiba sila ng kulay. So in terms of the touch, actually halos wala silang difference. Ito walang oil din, hindi oily. Yun ang isang maganda. Huwag kayong kukuha ng sobrang oily tignan. Okay? Ang pangit niya. Ito, maganda lang yung kulay niya. It's got that matte color. Itsurang bagong-bago pa lang yung plastic. Okay, so I don't know kung nakikita nyo difference, but this looks richer, mas itim, mas maganda. Ito medyo namumutay, although okay na rin naman na, but this will be improved by putting this. Guys, so that is it basically how to kumbaga para maglinis ng pintuan ng isang kotse. If you'd like to learn more, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well, like the video. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, bye now.